Hi, here's a simplified one-to-one conversation between Simi and her friend as she prepares to leave for the airport. Hi there. I'm getting ready to head to the airport.
Oh, exciting. Are you all packed and ready to go?
Yes, I think so. Just double-checking everything now.
Did you remember your passport and tickets?
Yes, they're in my carry-on bag.
Great. What time is your flight?
It's at 3 p.m., so I should leave soon.
Do you need a ride to the airport?
No thanks. I already booked a taxi.
Smart thinking. Is there anything else you need before you leave?
I think I have everything. Just feeling a bit nervous.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. You've done this before.
I know, but it's still a bit nerve-wracking.
Take a deep breath and relax. You'll be at the airport in no time.
Thanks. I needed that reassurance.
Anytime. Just focus on the exciting adventure ahead.
You're right. I can't wait to see new places and meet new people.
Exactly. Safe travels, Simi. Keep me updated along the way.
Will do. Thanks for the support.
No problem. Have a fantastic trip.
I will. Bye for now.
Bye, Simi. Take care.
I'll make sure to call you once I reach the airport.
Sounds good. I'll be waiting to hear from you.
I'll send you a text as soon as I check in.
Perfect. Let me know if you need anything.
Thanks, you're the best.
It's no problem at all. Just focus on having a great trip.
I will. I can't wait to board the plane and start my adventure.
It's going to be amazing. Make sure to take lots of photos.
Definitely. I want to capture every moment.
Don't forget to send me some pictures.
I won't. You'll practically be with me on the trip.
That's the spirit. Traveling is always more fun when you share it with friends.
I completely agree. I'm so grateful to have you as a friend.
Oh, you're going to make me tear up.
Seriously, though, your support means the world to me.
And you mean the world to me too, Simi.
Oh, thanks. Now I'm getting emotional.
Let's save the waterworks for when you come back and tell me all about your trip.
Deal. I promise to give you all the details.
I can't wait to hear them. You better have some good stories.
Oh, I'll definitely have stories to tell.
I'm sure you will. You always seem to find adventure wherever you go.
That's the plan. Life's too short to stay in one place.
I couldn't agree more. You've inspired me to travel more too.
Really? That's awesome.
Yeah, I've been thinking about taking a trip somewhere next month.
You should totally do it. I'll help you plan if you want.
That would be amazing. I might take you up on that offer.
Please do. I love planning trips almost as much as taking them.
You're a natural-born traveler, Simi.
Thanks. I'll take that as a compliment.
It definitely was. You have a way of making every trip unforgettable.
Oh, stop it. You're making me blush.
It's true, though. You're like a travel guru or something.
Huh, I wish. But I do love exploring new places and experiencing new things.
And you're so good at it, too. You always know the best restaurants and attractions.
Well, I do my research. But sometimes the best experiences are the ones you stumble upon unexpectedly.
That's so true. Those are usually the memories that stick with you the longest.
Exactly. Like that time we got lost in the city and stumbled upon that hidden gem of a cafe.
Oh yeah, I remember that. That cafe had the best pastries.
And the most amazing coffee. I still dream about it sometimes.
Me too. We'll have to go back there someday.
Definitely. Maybe on my next trip I'll take you with me.
I'd love that. We make a great travel team.
We really do. We should start planning our next adventure together.
I'm totally on board with that. Let's make it happen.
Absolutely. We'll have to brainstorm some destination ideas.
How about Europe? There are so many amazing cities to explore.
Europe sounds perfect. I've always wanted to visit Paris.
Paris would be incredible. The city of love.
Exactly. I can already picture us strolling along the Seine River.
And eating croissants at a cute little cafe with a view of the Eiffel Tower.
It sounds like a dream come true.
Let's make it a reality then. We'll start saving up and planning right away.
I'm in. I can't think of a better travel buddy than you.
Oh, thanks. I feel the same way about you.
All right, it's settled then. We're going to Europe.
Woohoo! I can't wait.
Me neither. It's going to be the trip of a lifetime.
I have a feeling it's going to be epic.
Definitely. And we'll make memories that will last forever.
That's the best part of traveling. The memories you make along the way.
Absolutely. I'll never forget all the adventures we've had together.
Same here. We've had some pretty amazing times.
And there are plenty more adventures waiting for us in the future.
I couldn't agree more. Here's to many more adventures together.
Cheers to that. Now let's focus on making this trip to the airport a smooth one.
Right. We got a little carried away with our travel plans.
Can you blame us? Traveling is just so exciting.
It really is. But we should probably get back to reality for now.
Agreed. So, any last-minute tips for me before I head out?
Just remember to stay hydrated and get some rest on the plane.
Good advice. I'll make sure to drink plenty of water and catch some Z's.
And don't forget to stretch your legs during the flight to avoid getting stiff.
Will do. Thanks for the reminder.
No problem. Oh, and one more thing. Download some good music or podcasts for the journey.
Already done. I have a playlist ready to go.
Perfect. You're all set then.
Thanks for helping me get ready. I feel much more prepared now.
Anytime, Simmy. You know I'm always here for you.
I do, and I'm so grateful for that.
It's what friends are for. Now, go have an amazing trip and make some unforgettable memories.
I will. Thanks again for everything.
No problem. Safe travels, Simmy. I'll be thinking of you.
Likewise, my friend. Until we meet again.
Take care, Simmy. See you soon.
Bye for now.
Bye, Simmy.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Click on one of these videos to watch more.